Hey everybody, this is A&N Sports Cards coming at you with a one-box break for imacracker, serial number 86. Good luck, buddy. My key will work and break this thing open. There we go. It's meant to be. He called 86 and I was holding 86 when he called. No pisto. Give you a little different camera angle this time around. Good luck, good luck. There we go. You can't really see when I'm opening them. There we go. Triple threads right off the bat. It's a nice one too. Base, base, base. Verdum, Fabricio Verdum, and John Jones, number to 9. John Jones, triple threads, number to 9. Nice. Nice way to start. Next up. Not bad for a relic, that's for sure. You needed that one too? Nice. Are you a John Jones collector? Remember, Matt Hamill beat John Jones. Kind of. He beat him with vicious headbutts to the elbow. Base, base, base. Junior Dos Santos to 219 and Gilbert Melendez to 88. Very nice. Utica Pride, Utica Pride. And we got an auto coming up, I believe. Yep. Base, base, base. Tim Kennedy to 219, and your auto relic is Demetrius Mighty Mouse Johnson. Very nice. To 200. Hey guys, what's John Jones' favorite game to play? Duck, Duck, Gus. Base, base, base. Miles Jury to 99, and oh nice, Nick Lentz first auto to 15. Nick Lentz first auto to 15. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. It's not a bad box at all. Looks like it's going to be one of those cases. Already. Base. 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 Frank Mir to 88, or 99, I'm sorry, to 99, not 88. And Michael the Count Bisbing to 200. So you got one more auto left, 2 relics. Hopefully it's a triple threads or a book. Pack number 6. Oh, you got a belt card coming up. Base, base, base. Matt Mitrione to 219. And, oh, nice. The JS Pay to 50. Belt relic. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, last night I seen a case break where they had 6 first autos. None of the, well, Sol Paoli, but besides him, they were all like lower tier guys. So this will be another relic, and then your last pack will be an auto. Thatch And Cain Velasquez to 188. Nice. Your relics were all decent. And last pack is going to be an auto. Good luck, good luck. Let's go for Jessica I. Or Ronda Rousey. It's going to be on card. And it's going to be red ink. Base, base, base. Gilbert Melendez. And your last auto is Daniel Cormier to 15. Very nice. DC inscription, red ink. 2 red inks in 1 box. Very nice. Thank you for buying imacracker. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube and check us out and on sportscards.com.